In a linked list, each node consists of two parts. One contains the data and another contains the pointer to the next node. So if we have to implement the stack using a linked list, the head pointer is used as the top variable and it always points to the first node in the linked list, which is considered the top of the stack. So if we have to pop out an element from the stack, that means we have to remove an element from the stack, we will have to remove the most recent element that was inserted. Since the stack follows the LIFO principle, that means the last in first out, so whichever element is at the top is the one which was recently added or which was the last element in. So this has to be the first element out also. If we do a pop operation and the last element that was inserted is removed, that means top will simply have to point to the next node in the stack or next node in the linked list. However, before doing a pop operation, as we have seen earlier, we should always check whether the top is null or not. That would indicate that the stack is empty. If top is equal to null and stack is empty, that shows that there are no elements which can be deleted or popped out and it is an underflow condition. If top is equal to null, we can delete a node at the beginning of the linked stack. So we will have a pointer variable again, which will be initialized to the top variable. So this will also point to 200. We will update the top value to point to top arrow next. So top will now become 100 and it will start pointing to the next node, and we can free the space that was being utilized by the first node. Please check my earlier videos on how a node at the beginning of a linked list can be removed. Now the first node has been removed and it has been popped out. So it is no longer part of the stack, and the top, it now is pointing to the next element in the stack, which has now become the top of the stack. So this is now the topmost element in the stack. This is how a pop operation takes place if we are using a linked list.